baby around.
Look, look at mommy, Will. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
They take one and go.
Look, there's another one coming, Tim. He's coming.
You want me, Bella?
There's like 4 or 5 of them in that tree.
They're having their little seed and they'll be back.
Put your hand up there, bird feeder.
Look, 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 look at mommy, Jan. Look at mommy. Yeah, look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look, 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 look.
Look at the bird.
What's that, Will? What's that, Will? What's
Don't
that?
turn your head, honey.
Oh, they just want one seed and then they run. There's like 3 or 4 coming. There's one right by you, Mrs. Paul. There's 2 right by you.
Yeah, but I just wanted them to go to Cindy. That's okay. Oh, that is so cool.
Now catch one in your hand. Try to close your hand really quickly.
That's the chickadee.
You see mommy with the birdie?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Hmm? Oh, the squirrel's coming. It's right there, Mike. Oh, I missed him.
Curiosity.
That's kind of cool.
The squirrel probably wants to get the seeds that fall in our feet.
Put some seed on Will's hand, Cindy.
William won't stay still long enough. Yeah, they might cut.
Are they
Oh,
heavy,
yes.
honey?
The birds?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold back! How's it feel? Come, do it, Rob.
Oh, we got lots of feet. Great.
Want me to film you?
Yeah. I'll film it. Wait, where's my
Okay,
hand?
stop moving.
Can
they get out of the? Can they get out of the sled? Yeah, of course they can. Look, here one comes, Mikey. Here he comes. Don't scream.
Scare the shit out of me.
I know it does.
There's more coming. They're fighting. Do a little dance, birdie. Will.
Yum.
You have to stop moving the sleds.
Right. Oh, he was going to come, but the other ones are there.
In the camera, they just like appear.
There's another one.
Look at her face looking up. They're so excited. Their faces. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Do you want to try feeding the birdie? Want to give the birdie food? William.